Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. Right now, I am in a 10th standard first language English class. In a previous class, we already started the one of the beautiful concept of the poem Lokinavar. Lokinavar, you know already that Lokinavar, it is a love story between our hero Lokinavar and young queen Elena. So we already finished up in the previous class two stanza. Now it's the time to understand third and fourth stanza. So everyone should open your textbook and observe the line with your running finger. Okay? Just you have to observe the third stanza here. So boldly he entered the Netherby hall. So boldly he entered the Netherby hall. You know that what is the meaning of the word Netherby hall? Netherby hall, it is the name of the city. It is located in the direction of north of the England. England north direction, there is a city. That city is called Netherby. Just you have to understand. Among brides, men and kinsmen and brothers and all. Here, when our hero Lokinavar entered or stagnantly standing in front of the Netherby hall, at the time to whom he had to find there, he had to find brides. Who is the here bride? Bride is here Ellen. Ellen was the bride here. So here some of the persons waiting for along in this function, marriage function, men, kinsmen and brothers and all, everyone very shocked. Why they are very shocked? Because they already observed there is a person stagnantly standing in front of the gate. Who is that person? He was none other than our hero Lokinavar. Here, then spoke the bride's father, his hand on his sword. Here, the bride's Elena's father spoke when he find out the hero Lokinavar in front of the Netherby gate. At the time, he spoke a few words. Which are the few words? Here, they are given in bracket. For the poor craven bridegroom said never a word. Hey, you are a fool. Don't use or don't speak any kind of single word in this function. Said by the bride's father or Elena's father. What he said? Elena's father said, "Oh, come in peace here. Oh, come in peace here or come ye in war." For what purpose? There is a two purpose. When he entered into the hall, that Netherby hall, at the time, there is a situation concluded with two incidents. One is you are coming for a peace or else you are coming for a war. In which matter you have to discuss with me for entered into the Netherby hall. There is one more. To dance at our bridal, young Lord Lokinavar, just he spoke with very humorously, very embarrassmently, the bride's father to the Lokinavar. For what reason you came to here? For the purpose of peace or else for the purpose of war? Which one do you want? At that time, our hero Lokinavar replied. What he replied, we have to observe in the fourth stanza. What he replied, I long woo. Woo means I am very eager person. I am very eager person to awaiting your daughter's love. Just he expressed his feelings. I long wooed had your daughter. My suit you denied. Denied means reject. But when I entered, at the time you rejected me. Why? Because I am not a princess. I am not a prince. That's why you are rejected me, but your daughter not rejected me. That's why I entered this nether by gate. The next point is that love swells like the salve. Salve means solution. What is the meaning of the word salve means? Salve means solution. Here, what is the solution for the love? Here, the solution is there, but ifs, like it's a tide. But ifs, it's like it's a tide, and now am I come with this lost love of mine? I have two desire. One desire is I have to drink a cup of wine with your daughter, and two steps dance I have made with her. That is my two desire expression by our hero Lokinavar. Here the next line is there. He want to express his desire. What kind of desire he had? To lead, but one measure. What one measure? Drink one cup of wine. Drink one cup of wine, and there are maidens. So many beautiful maidens are there. Young ladies are there. Young girls are there. I won't like them. Why? Because I love and I liked only your daughter. That's why it is my ambition. It is my ambition here in Scotland. More lovely by far. Far means far away. There is a long kilometer distance or long distance. Here, that would gladly be bride to the young Lokinavar. Young Lokinavar expressed himself to the Elena's father. I want to drink a cup of wine with your daughter, and two steps dance. Entire shocked the when like this words spoken by Lokinavar. At the time, all function people who are there in that men, kinsmen, and brothers, and the entire ministers of the kingdom. So everyone very excited and shocked. Why? Because here is a single person entered into another kingdom, but he spoke very boldly. That boldly words are very attracted by the all the kinsmen, brothers and men. So this is the story we have to understand in the third stanza and fourth stanza. In the third stanza, the conversation between Elena's father and Lokinavar. In the fourth stanza, Lokinavar expressed his desire. What are the two desires there? First one is drink of cup of milk, cup of wine with her daughter, and two steps dance with her. That is the two desire expression by Lokinavar in the stanza 4. In the next stanza, we have to understand in the next period. Okay, thank you.